YouTube, SJ here, and today I'm unboxing the Latino Heritage Month Nike AF1 Los Primos. Let's get to it. Hey YouTube, SJ back, and today we're looking at a drop that I picked up a while ago, the AF1 Latino Heritage Month Los Primos. And before I forget, if you haven't already, go on, give us the old subscribe down here somewhere and hit that old notification button so that you don't miss out on any of our Pint of Stuff videos, which are uploaded on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and we stream on Sundays. But enough of me rambling on, let's get to the unboxing. Now, as you can see, these aren't in a box. So I actually bought these last December in Nice Kicks, San Francisco. And we did an unboxing video, but it was pretty bad because I was so jet lagged, so we never put it out. So I thought I'd share these with you because they are such an epic drop. So let's get to it. So sneaker cam, what are these? These are the Air Force 1 07 LHM for Latino Heritage Month. They are Black-Multicolor. There you go. They are a US 7, UK 6, CM 24, European 40, and the code is AH7738001. Now, I believe these first dropped in, I think it was around about October 2017, and there were four different types in the collection that was called Los Primos. Apologies if I've said that totally wrong. There was the Cortez, the Air Max 1, the Jordan, and the Nike Air Max 1 as well. But I went for the AF1. Really like the AF1 shit. So let's share these with you. Now, first of all, there is this epic little backpack. Okay. Now this gives you a bit of a hint to the print of these sneakers. And on the back here, Mr. B is picking this up on Sneaker Cam, there is this epic design work because these sneakers and each pair of sneakers within the Los Primos pack, Nike worked with a Latino artist to produce some really epic drops. Now this is actually by a Mexican-born artist called Sanya, and his work is super cool. Check out his Instagram. I think it is just Sanya. Some super cool stuff on there. Let's get these out. Enough of the dust bag. Now, if you've seen our Sunday streams, you've probably seen a sneak peek of these because they reminded me a little bit of the Atmos Animal Pack, the Nike Air Max 1 that came out earlier this year, which I didn't pick up. And I'm not that fussed because obviously I've got these, and these are far rarer, particularly in the UK, because these didn't drop in the UK as far as I'm aware. So look at these. Now this is Jaguar. Mysterious animal that is the Jaguar, and it's a really lovely, I'm not sure if Sneaker Cam can pick this up, it's actually like calf hair, so it's not just printed, it's a really nice material. And then you've got the lovely suede. I mean, everything about these shoes is really quite premium. You've also got the leather on the Nike swoosh here. You've got flat wax laces. Then if I turn this round, camera 2, you're not getting much love, camera 2. No, look at that. So that is Sanya's work on the back there. And let's bring this around to Sneaker Cam. How epic is that? I mean, you can really see the Mexican inspiration there coming through. Yeah, these are just so epic. And then you've got the little flash of sort of, it's like a coral red. It's not like a true red. It's a really nice coral red. You've got the flash coming through on the tongue tab here as well. As I said, those really nice flat wax laces. Now I'm not even sure if Sneaker Cam is going to pick this up. You're going to have to come in very closely, Mr. B. Here, you've got like Sanya's signature embroidered into the sneaker. It's just a really nice touch. So instead of having the sort of metal tag that you have on the premium AF1s and that you have on the premium Cortez, you've actually got that sort of stitched in, which is a really nice finish. What I also like about these as well is the chunky sole. I don't think it's as chunky as an Upstep. What I really like is the clear the way this is finished at the bottom. It's just super nice. It is just a really, really nice shoe. One of my favourites. And let me get the collar. I haven't even worn these yet. I've been too scared to wear them. I didn't want to wear them throughout winter in case it rained or snowed. In here, I'm not sure if you can see this camera one, you've got the Los Primeros in there and the one for the Air Force One and the Nike swoosh. You getting that sneaker cam? No, not really, not enough light. Then in here, it just says, and again, you're probably not seeing that. Mr. B, can you see it? No, he wants some light. And getting the face behind the camera. Face. So it says Nike Los Primos. It says the Nike name and swoosh stripe are your guarantee of quality. Well, there you go. These are just a really epic pickup. I mean, they weren't particularly cheap. They were $150 from Nice Kicks, obviously plus tax. They were a pricey pickup, but you know, that's kind of average, I think, for your AF1s in the US. They're not cheap out there. Are just super nice, and I actually think I prefer these over the Atmos Air Max 1. I mean, I'd still really like them. I just like all the little details on these. They're just super nice, and they're real premium as well. As I said, that sort of calf hair or pony hair, whatever it is, they are super nice. So what do we think of these guys? You like? Good pickup? I think they are. They're actually one of my favourites, and I really need to start wearing them. I need to not be scared of wearing my sneakers. Don't know, Mr. B. So anyway, that's enough of me rambling on about these super nice sneakers. But yeah, if you like this sort of thing, leave comments, let me know what you think of these. As I said, I know these are nearly at, well, they were out good, what is that, 9 months now? Oh God, where's the year flying? But these are super, super nice. Let us know what you think in the comments. Good cop, not. Did you manage to get any from this pack? I mean, the Jordans were pretty epic in the Los Primos pack as well. As always, let us know in the comments. Love all the feedback that we're getting at the moment. And thanks to everybody that subscribed. Really, really appreciate it. And some really nice comments from you guys as well. And don't forget, we're uploading content on Tuesdays and Thursdays and streaming on Sundays. So it's Sneaker Streaming Sunday, which is 8 PM GMT. And that is 12 PM on the Pacific Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. So come along and join us for some sneaker news, chats, what is on our feet that week. And you may even see a cameo from the dog who is at my feet. It's very hot in here today. He has hot breath. It's not pleasant. Anyway, guys, enough from me. We will see you on the next upload. Over and out. Is that okay?